Lesson 34. Dear Professor Sanders, here is an offer that is a real bargain, period. For $520, you can get a trip to Paris this winter, as well as 50 hours of French lessons while you are in Paris, period. You may rightly wonder if you can learn French in only 50 hours, period. With our efficient new methods, though, you will be surprised at the proficiency you will achieve. Paragraph. If you would like more facts, call our main offices at 555-1187, period. If you prefer, see your local travel agency, period. The agents are familiar with all our travel plans, period. Sincerely yours.